errors can be frustrating, but don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix Iriun Webcam errors.
So last time I make a video about Iriun Webcam. The video so much viral on my channel, it almost get 10k viewers.
Yes!
So why the video is getting viral? So after doing the research on the internet, I found over 78% of the people own built webcams on their devices. And according to the survey conducted by Statista, nearly the 68% of adults in USA own a laptop or a desktop computer with a built-in webcam. While they are convenient, they often have a low quality video which can be unreliable for important video calls or content creation. That's where the Iriun comes in. It is a popular app that allows you to use your smartphone camera as a webcam. However, many people have experienced the errors with this software. These errors can be frustrating, but don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix Iriun webcam errors. By following these simple steps, you can get your Iriun webcam running in no time. So for anyone who experiences the Iriun error code 1 and Iriun initialization failed, you can go and watch my videos on my YouTube channel by clicking the link on the description. But if you are still experiencing issues or want to improve your video quality, consider investing in an external webcam. They offer a high quality video and more controls over lighting and angles. If you want to take your video production to the next level, don't forget to check out our next video on the best affordable webcams for computers. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.